Welcome. In this short video, we are going to talk about comments. Comments explain what your code is doing. The computer ignores comments in your code when the program runs. These comments are for us, the human readers, the programmers, not for the computer. As an example, we can see here that there is a comment which begins with 2 forward slashes that explains what the next line of code actually does. And a different kind of comment starts with a /* and ends with a */. And the difference between this kind of a comment and the one that is just 2 forward slashes is the 2 forward slashes is a comment that can only go across one single line. It would not work if this comment extended to the next line, which is why you have a second type of comment /*, which is called a multi-line comment and can span many lines. And when you're done with your comment, you can end it with the */. Again, this is for the human reader. The computer will ignore what's in these inside these comments. They have the purpose of explaining what your code is doing, but also have a different purpose as well. Perhaps in your program, you're writing some code and it's just not complete, or it's not functioning correctly at that time, or you're not done. You can just comment it out so that you can continue with the part of your program that is functioning, that is working, and try running it, testing it, debugging it, and comment out the part that is still sort of experimental, incomplete, not done, not tested, not debugged, and come back to it later by removing the comments. Let's look at the exercise in Code Academy now. If you haven't done this exercise, I would advise you to pause your video at this time, do the exercise, and then if you want to see the solution, you can unpause. We'll give you 3 seconds to pause, and then we're going to start showing the solution. Okay, here's the solution. So in the Code Academy exercise for comments, they're asking you to comment the first line. Oh, no, that's not the exercise. Hang on a second here. Just below, they're saying, let's practice. On line 1, write a single comment that says opening line. Okay, so let's do that. On line number 1, we're going to put a single line comment that says opening line. So now if we run this program, what you'll notice is opening line was ignored, because on the right-hand side in our terminal, our console, opening line was ignored. There's no error. It didn't get printed out, nothing like that. But the rest of the program ran normally. The answer was correct because the checkbox is marked. So let's go to exercise number 2. We did a single line comment. Now they're saying use a multi-line comment so that the bottom 6 console.log statements are commented out. So the bottom 6 console log statements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which starts, I guess, right around here. So we're going to put an opening slash, opening star. You can see that the lines below all became grayed out. It's waiting for us to close the comment, the multi-line comment here. If I were to go to the next line and type something, you'll see it would not be grayed out because the comment has been closed, and it would run. So if I were to write here console, yeah, oops, did I put it in the right place here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay, so let's run that and see if it works. And it looks like it did. So the only thing that the program ran was the one line that isn't commented out either by a single line comment or a multi-line comment. Thanks for watching. All the best in your journey to JavaScript.